Hi, I'm Jess.
And I'm Greg.
We're from RUFFLY, and thanks for tuning in to our detailed breakdown of the My PUP mugs. We want to help you live extraordinary together with your dog every day. That's why RUFFLY builds premier outdoor dog gear that does good, goes everywhere, and looks amazing. The My PUP mugs are expertly artisan built in small home workshops here in the Guatemalan highlands. Your My PUP mug features completely personalized and 100% original artwork.
The My PUP is a 14-ounce ceramic latte mug. It's got a shapely style, a stylish shape. Okay. It's got a stylish shape, a glossy black exterior with a white interior, and the artwork is engraved and painstakingly hand-painted. It's microwave and dishwasher safe. The My PUP Goes Camping is a 12-ounce metal enamel camping and travel style mug. You'll notice a sturdy base, the white exterior with the black offset rim, and it's completely wraparound printed artwork with a protective coating.
So here's how it works. You upload your favorite photo of your dog, a camping scene, or whatever you'd like depicted on your mug. Then our artist will prepare a proof and will get it to you within 3 to 5 business days. Then you have unlimited revisions until you're 100% satisfied with the artwork. Then we put it into production. It'll take about 3 weeks, and then we'll ship it right out to you.
RUFFLY Premier Outdoor Dog Gear is runway ready, outdoor tough, and does good. Your purchase of RUFFLY gear supports hard-working indigenous women artisans and tailors. They're skilled craftspeople who work from small, sustainable home workshops in the Guatemalan highlands. We pay fair wages to kind, dedicated people who are passionate about the work they do. We believe in doing business in a way that benefits dogs, people, and the environment, and you make it possible. So unless you're a professional photographer or an award-winning Nat Geo photographer, you probably don't have that one single perfect photo that captures the essence of your travel or, of who your dog is. And that's where the My PUP really shines, because your creativity is the limit. So you tell us what you want to do to make it perfect. If you want a butterfly to be landing on the nose of your dog, you want your dog to be sitting on the clouds, it's all up to you.
Oh, and don't forget, you can add any type of text you'd like to your My PUP mug. So if you want to include your dog's name or a personal motto, or if you want to put your Instagram or your business name on it, you just have to let us know. Thanks for tuning in to our detailed breakdown of the My PUP mug. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us through our Contact Us page or through our live chat app at goruffly.com. And of course, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.